Lesson 50, Pictures, Online Pictures, and Video Apply It Word Drills. For the first task, we're going to save, so File, Save As, and the file name is 50-drill1, and click Save. For the next task, you'll press Enter 3 times, and you'll type this line here. When you see the paragraph symbol, press Enter. The second line, and when you're finished, press Enter. When you start the next for several decades, you will let the word wrap automatically. Only press Enter when you get to the end of the paragraph after each period. And then you will have a little bit there to scroll down and type all of this, and then click Check Your Work. Task 3, you're going to change the document theme, choose Design, Themes, and select Berlin. For the very next task, we're going to change the styles. So anywhere on the first line, choose Home, Styles, More Options, Title. Click on the second line, and on the second line, you'll choose Styles, More Options, Subtitle. And then for the 3 side headings, select the first one, hold Control, Open Office, and Control Blended Environment, Styles, and choose Heading 1. Scroll down into the Open Office paragraph. After Below, press Enter and Insert. Online from the OneDrive, select the picture and choose Insert. Resize the picture, size 2.4, and enter. Center the picture with the picture selected, Home, and in the paragraph group, Center. Scroll down to the end of the document. After Below, press Enter, and we're going to insert 2 pictures separately. Insert, Online, OneDrive. Select the first picture. Click Insert, and then click anywhere in the document. Control End, that gets you below this picture. Go back to Insert, Online Picture, OneDrive, and we'll select the second picture. And then Insert. Compress all of the pictures to be sent in an email. So what you'll do is the pictures, the first one's selected, which is fine. There's 2 others, but that's okay. When you go to compress pictures, uncheck only this picture, so it's all of them, and then select email. So it compresses it for an email. Resize the picture. So select the first picture, resize. The height is 2.4. Go to the second picture and the same thing, resize the height 2.4. Select the picture on page 1, and for the layout options, choose With Text Wrapping Square. On page 2, we just want to change the order of these pictures, so just hold and drag to the left. And then on page 1, when you scroll up to page 1, choose Insert, Header and Footer, select Page Number, Top of Page, make sure it doesn't go down, stay on top of page, and choose Plain Number 3, and then close the header. Edit the header, so you can double-click in the header, it's active, and choose Different First Page, and close. We're going to add a boxed border, so choose Design, and then scroll over to Page Border, and you'll select Boxed Border. The thin line is fine, single line, and then change the color to Brown Text 2, and the width will be 1 point, and OK. Thank you.